Hey guys, so this is another exercise of the Power BI basics. So in this exercise, we will be creating a matrix and will returning some appropriate images as shown in this site, like the 18 or U. So let's check what we can do. I've already downloaded the file. So what you can do in this Excel, you can go here and you can click on the sheet, this Excel sheet that's needed. And here I will click on all the tables that are necessary. All these are necessary. So I will click on load. And as you can see, it's now loading here. Yep, it got loaded. And in the right side, you can see all these different tables here. So let's see. We need to create a matrix like this, right? So for this, I will create one matrix. I will take a matrix visual from here and I will put genre in the rows, right? From here. And then I will put this 12A, what it is, certificates, I think. The certificate name as a column like 12, 12A and 15, 18, right? And then I will put the which genre has the highest certificate. So in the values, I will put the certificate ID and I will put it as sum, right? Are we taking sum here or what? 12A for action 4. Hmm. No, so we are taking on account. So certificate 1, right? If I take this certificate, yes, we can take this count. Then this is 7, 7. Which genre has your matrix will have all the certificate in the list. So certificate ID, right? Lastly, to make the report a little more interesting, add the images found in this. Okay, which genre has the highest certificate? 18 or U. So you can add the pictures from here. If you go in this insert and click on images, and then images will appear here, and you can click here on the upload image, and then you can browse and you can put 18. And if you want another image also, you can click here, go here, image, and then upload. That's a universal U. That's how you insert the images in the Power BI, right? Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.